The techniques and tools of hackers, social engineering techniques, phishing, sending deceptive emails or messages to trick users into revealing sensitive information. Pretexting, creating a fabricated scenario to gain someone's trust and obtain information. Spear phishing, targeted phishing attacks aimed at specific individuals or organizations. Network scanning and enumeration. Port scanning, identifying open ports on a network to find potential entry points. Service enumeration, gathering information about services running on discovered ports to exploit vulnerabilities. Exploitation tools, Metasploit framework, an open-source tool for developing, testing, and executing exploits against target systems. SQL map, automated SQL injection and database takeover tool used to exploit vulnerable web applications. Burp Suite, a web vulnerability scanner and proxy tool used for testing web applications. Password cracking, brute force attacks, trying all possible combinations of passwords until the correct one is found. Dictionary attacks, using a predefined list of common passwords or words to guess the password. Wireless network hacking, packet sniffing, capturing data packets transmitted over a wireless network to extract sensitive information. WEP-WPA cracking, exploiting weaknesses in encryption protocols to gain unauthorized access to wireless networks. Reverse engineering, disassemblers and debuggers, tools used to analyze and understand the inner workings of software and firmware. Binary analysis tools, software for examining binary files to discover vulnerabilities or extract sensitive information. Distributed denial of service, DDoS tools. LOIC, low orbit ion cannon, an open-source network stress testing and DDoS attack tool. Botnets, networks of compromised computers used to flood targeted systems with overwhelming traffic. Physical access and hardware attacks. Rubber Ducky, a USB device that emulates a keyboard to execute predefined commands on a computer. Hardware keyloggers, devices used to intercept and record keystrokes entered on a compromised computer. Malware and rootkits. Trojans, malicious programs disguised as legitimate software to gain unauthorized access or cause harm. Rootkits, tools designed to conceal malicious activities and maintain unauthorized access to a compromised system. Web application vulnerabilities, cross-site scripting, XSS, injecting malicious scripts into web pages viewed by other users. SQL injection, exploiting vulnerabilities in web application databases to gain unauthorized access to data. Cryptojacking and IoT exploitation. Cryptojacking, illegally using someone else's computer to mine cryptocurrencies without their knowledge. IoT botnets, exploiting vulnerabilities in Internet of Things devices to create botnets for malicious purposes. These points cover a broad spectrum of techniques and tools that hackers employ to compromise systems and networks for various malicious purposes.